High-Tech Group. We are India's number one umbrella suppliers. Any type of umbrella we supply. As per our choice, we supply these umbrellas including branding. Otherwise, without branding for gardening purpose. For hotels, restaurants, parks and everything, we supply these umbrellas. Not only for gardening, it's advertising umbrellas also. Promotion umbrellas, branding umbrellas, event umbrellas, marketing umbrellas, sales umbrellas, name it, any umbrella we supply. It's a complete high quality and best fabric, waterproof and all weather condition umbrellas. Our production per day 20,000 pieces. Even one piece we are ready to supply. Our phone number 92-463-72692. Our website ID www.hightechpublicity.com. Name it any umbrella we supply. Just call us for any type of umbrella anywhere in India. Also we export to different countries. Either small size or big size, not a question. If you need umbrella, just call us, we supply. Whatever you want color, whatever you want size, whatever you want material, we supply. Our phone number 92-463-72692. Best quality umbrellas for any purpose, including stand, table, umbrella, fabric, foldable system with a guarantee and best price, main thing. With the best price we supply. Our phone number +91 92 463 72692. Our website ID www.hightechpublicity.com. Factory in Hyderabad, India. We are supplying to all over India. Also we are exporting other countries. You can't get this much range of umbrellas anywhere. Lot of models we produce. Sun umbrella, marketing umbrella, rain umbrella, anything. Just call us. Thank you.